Ganito pag withdraw WorldCoin to crypto app, click mo lang yung 3 dots, then withdraw WorldCoin. Yan, click mo yan. Kita mo yung balance. Crypto app. Click mo WorldChain. Scroll up. Click mo yung others. Continue. Inakopy mong address. Paste mo dyan. Tulad sa akin, Coins.ph gamit ko. Kung wala kayo sa trusted na kakilala nyo, then maximum na, ayan, kukunin nyo ng buo. Click continue. Ayan, kita nyo. Confirm withdrawal from WorldCoin to crypto app. Ayan, tapos na. Next video naman natin, Coins.ph to GCash.